Hi friends, welcome to my channel Shivmani Electricals. After a long time, we had uploaded a video. Actually, I had decided to stop this YouTube channel, but for a video, we observed a 5.9k views, nearly 6k views. So I decided to continue our channel. So if I have your support, our channel will be grown in a short time of period. Today we are going to see how to do this Bluetooth controlled Arduino based car. So actually many YouTubers have done this Bluetooth controlled car, but I'm also doing in our channel, because in the next video I will explain you about the giveaway. I would like to give two pieces as a gift to my subscribers. So please like, share and subscribe. Let's watch the video. The components required for this Bluetooth controlled Arduino car are Arduino 4 motor driver shield, lithium ion batteries 2 pieces, TT gear motors 4 pieces, and a HC05 Bluetooth module. Take a cardboard sheet or plank of 15 centimeters into 7.5 centimeters and then place the 4 TT gear motors in this way and paste it with the glue gun one by one. Now you take a Arduino and 3 jumpers. Now insert one of the jumper into a ground pin. Here you will observe 2 ground pins. You can insert in any one of the ground pin. And similarly insert another jumper in RX slot and another in TX slot. In this way, make sure that these two are not in contact. Now mount the 4 motor driver shield on the Arduino. It is very easy to mount the 4 motor driver shield on Arduino. It will get inserted easily into the pins. In this way you have to insert the 4 motor driver shield in Arduino board. Now take this back and paste the circuit on this board in this manner. After connecting the TT gear motor wires to the phone motor driver shield, now take the HC05 Bluetooth module and observe here we can find 6 pins for this module, but we uses only 4 pins in this. First connect the 5 volts pin. I have soldered already the 5 volts pin to 4 motor driver shield. Connect 5 volts pin to VCC and then ground to ground. And here the major role plays that RX and TX pins. The digital pin number 0 is treated as RX pin. The RX pin should be connected to TX and TX pin should be connected to RX. I will give you the circuit diagram in description or at the top of the display. Make sure that whether RX and TX are connected in reverse manner. RX should be connected to TX and TX should be connected to RX. And then paste the Bluetooth module with glue stick. Now we shall move to the power section. Take two lithium-ion batteries case, and one of the here red indicates the positive terminal and black indicates the negative terminal. The negative terminal of the batteries I had connected to a switch, and this switch now this represents the negative of the battery and this represents the positive of the battery. Now connect the positive terminal of the battery to M plus and the negative to the ground. Make sure that whether you are connecting correct. If you connect them vice versa, it leads to short circuit. At last, we are mounting the wheels. Now it's time to upload code to our Arduino. Connect the Arduino cable to our car and then this USB to laptop, or you can upload your code from your mobile also. Now you have to install the AF motor driver. This is our code. To run our code we have to install AF motor driver. Go to sketch, include library and then manage libraries. You will get a box like this and here you can search for AF. See here already installed for me. If you are not installed, you can install. Okay, then we shall compile now. Make sure that your Bluetooth is disconnected and then you should compile and upload the sketch. Now we shall upload the code. Okay, here why the error comes, because sometimes error comes because we didn't select the port. Go to tools, Arduino Uno and the port COM3 Arduino Uno. We didn't select that port, so I got error. Now I selected the port and then I am uploading the code. Now it will be uploaded completely and successfully. See here, done uploading. Now our programming part had been completed. Now disconnect the car to. Now go to Play Store and search for RC Bluetooth controller and then install the first application. This is the application to control our car from our mobile. Now open the application. Now on your RC Bluetooth controller car. And then allow. Once open your Bluetooth. And then press on HC05. And give the password 1234. Then OK. After pairing, open our app, go to settings, connect to a car, and then HC05. After connecting to a car, it indicates green light here. And then now our car is ready. See here,